Guys, what's going on? Wanted to do this video for you because if I had one choice at a loan, what would that commercial loan be? Commercial loan, right? The loan would be SBA. And you might wonder why, if you had one loan, why would you choose SBA? Because I want to break it down for you. Here's my 5 reasons. Are you ready for this? Let's jump right into it, all right? The first reason is because typically speaking on an SBA front, the interest rates are lower, all right? So typically speaking, I would expect to get a competitive rate by taking an SBA loan, all right? So that would be my first reason of why I would choose SBA as my loan of choice, all right? Number 2 is because the repayment periods are a lot longer on SBA loans, which means that I don't have to go through the journey of having to refinance my loan multiple times. Also, if you think about it, when you're amortizing a loan to the max, meaning 25 years, the payment is also lower. So that means that I actually get to save money every single month instead of having to put that into a mortgage. So that would be the second reason why I would pick an SBA loan. Now, the third reason is quite obvious. It allows me to get into the transaction with as little as 10% down, which basically means that I can use the money that I have in my company for other things instead of being forced to put it into a down payment to buy a building, machinery, equipment, okay, different things that you could do with SBA financing, even a line of credit. So that's, a very, very easy choice. Now, the fourth reason is kind of unique. The loan is partially guaranteed by the government, which makes banks feel a lot safer when originating an SBA loan. It also means that it's more flexible. It gives you the opportunity to qualify for financing even if your credit's not perfect, all right? Or your liquidity is low, meaning you don't have a lot of assets, all right? Or maybe your cash flow is not that great, your income, all right? So because it's guaranteed, then a lot of lenders feel a lot more secure. And I could elaborate on that because there are SBA loans that are called 504, meaning that the lender gives 50% or the bank 50% of the money, and then SBA gives 40% of the money. Now SBA is even in second position, which is even a safer choice for the lender because they're in first position. My fifth reason would actually be the use of funds. So this is kind of interesting because SBA could also offer money for other things, such as working capital. Even if you get into a transaction with 10% down as an example, but so that means that you're getting a 90% loan to value, right? You're only putting down 10%. And then SBA comes and actually gives you 10% for working capital to grow your company, help you grow your company by allocating funds for different things, such as equipment, okay? Then basically you just bought a place, a facility for basically zero out of pocket. Yeah, you had to come in with 10%, but ultimately SBA compensated you by giving you an additional 10% as a line of credit for working capital. So you basically came in at 100% financing, which you'd never be able to do with any other source of financing, all right? There's last bonus tip that I'm gonna throw at you, and that's any loans that are less than $500,000 for just a small office, there's no guarantee fee by SBA. So it really makes it a no-brainer. You get this money and you never have to refinance again. You get the opportunity to pay it off. And during a time where interest rates are still attractive, you get the opportunity to, do this transaction just once and not multiple times. So if you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. These will be my 5 reasons as to why SBA would be my loan of choice on the commercial end. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me, drop them in the comments below, shoot me a text or an email. I'll be happy to answer them.